everybody, and welcome back. Today I'm going to be using up these bananas before they go bad. I'm going to make 2 loaves of banana bread. So y'all come on and join me in the kitchen as we make up some fresh loaves of banana bread. With these bananas, there's no such thing as a bad banana. When they start turning before they get too bad, you can go ahead and peel them and freeze them for smoothies. Or either you could use them for even frozen ice cream. So when the bananas start looking bad, just peel them, put them in the freezer, and have them for later. And you can also dehydrate bananas. I've done that one time. I need to make a video and show y'all how to dehydrate bananas. But we're going to make banana bread today. So y'all come on and let's get started. Hey y'all, and welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're going to be making banana bread, and I thought I'd share this quick little video of how I do banana bread. It's simple and easy, don't take no time at all, and you have 2 loaves of banana bread. You'll be needing a stand mixer or either a hand mixer. And we're going to start off by adding our 1 stick of butter. I let it soften. 2 eggs, this is a way to use extra bananas so you don't let them go bad. It's a fast, easy way to make banana bread. 1/4 of a cup of white sugar, 1/4 cup of light brown sugar, packed. Mixing the 2 sugars together, the brown sugar just gives it that caramelized sort of taste to me. Just gives it an extra good flavor, adding half white and half brown sugar. And now we're going to add vanilla. 1 tablespoon of vanilla. One teaspoon of baking powder. And then just start mixing. You can use a hand mixer for this, but I've got a stand mixer, and I love this thing. I use it for a lot of things. 1/8 teaspoon of clove. A 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. And then just give it a good mix. Mix it long enough just for that butter to incorporate good with all the other ingredients. And your sugar will start dissolving as the butter melts down into a cream. And now we're going to add the main ingredient, 3 cups of bananas. These bananas, I mashed them up with a fork. And now we're going to measure out 3 cups. For 3 cups of bananas, it will take you around 3½ bananas. Now we're going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda is an ingredient that's in a lot of baking dishes. And it's used for other things also. We have some videos I'll list down below on ways that you can make products using baking soda. And now we're going to add 1 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour. And we have videos down below that I will list of how to make self-rising flour, cake flour, and bread flour. I take my all-purpose flour that Travis gets me, and we make all 3. We don't buy the individual bags of different kinds of flour. Once your mixture gets done, you're going to need some kind of loaf pan to put your banana bread in. I'm using these throwaway loaf pans because I'm actually giving this to somebody. And I'm just going to place my mixture in these loaf pans and get them ready to put in the oven. We got 2 loaf pans out of that amount of recipe. And now we're going to preheat our oven to 350 and bake our banana bread. When using these kind of pans, always put it in a different pan so if it leaks, it don't get in the bottom of your oven and make such a big mess. This is what it's turned out to look like. Beautiful banana bread. It's so great to have this in the mornings with a cup of coffee. If y'all like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Okay, y'all, I hope y'all like our video on homemade banana bread. If you do, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Like, share, and subscribe if you hadn't already down below. Thanks for watching.